School can be really hard. Especially if you don't know what's going on. I'll show you this trick. What? I think this is going to be good. First, you need to draw or picture a clock. Include a subtraction sign and time for the math. It works for the entire clock. Ta-da! An easy way to do subtraction. What?
Wow!
This is amazing! You're welcome!
Really? Oh my god!
If you think that trick was great, there's even cooler ones coming your way. Detention class? Yep, I'm in the right place. Ugh, rules much? Might as well get to work. What? Are they kidding? Eh? Who do they think they are? This'll take forever! Oh gosh, she looks like a wreck. Oh my gosh! Look at her hand!
Ah!
She's probably been here forever!
Ugh.
I don't want that to happen to me. There's gotta be a way out of this. Wait a second. Who's that? Is that another student? She's turning around. She's old.
Help me.
Ugh! A literal skeleton! This is a nightmare! I need to get started before I'm an old person or literal bones. Wait a second. An idea! First, I'll need some pens. Now for some tape. Might as well pick pretty tape. Wrap the tape around the pens in 2 spots. Let's give this a try. Look! It draws 3 lines at once. I'm a genius! Now I'm ready to get to work. Writing 3 sentences at once. 2 words done. This is working great! Look how fast this is going! And done! Yay! Take that, detention! I am outta here! It's just not fair. I love school. Ugh. She's making so much noise. Oh! I'm headed for a high score!
Yay! I'm trying to work here. Ha! That's it!
Shh. Rose! Mind your business!
Teacher! She's on her phone in class!
Mickey, you know the rules. Put your phone away. Fine!
That'll teach you.
Ugh. She's the worst. What if I'm just sneaky? Just a quick check. Wait a minute. I've got an idea! I'll need a photocopy of my face. I'm so sneaky! Okay, have the picture and my phone. I'll just line the paper up with my phone. A perfect match! Now, I'll need some glue. Just put the glue on the back of my phone case. Perfect! Next step, stick the picture to the phone. This is turning out great! Time to give this a try. Just gonna hold my phone here. Biology is such a robust topic. I can't believe it! She's on her phone again! Teacher! Teacher! Oh. She's doing it again! Is she now? Yes! She's looking at it right now! Well, I don't see anything. You need to stop interrupting class. Shh. Me? Interfere with learning? It worked. I win. It's just not fair! Time for your test. Ugh, I'm gonna fail so much. What am I gonna do? I wish I would have studied harder. What? But the test! Uh-oh. Oh my gosh! I'm running out of time! How is time moving so quickly? What is even happening? Wait. Who's that spy? Hello. My name is Spy. I can help you, if you want. Look at this test! What am I supposed to do? Yes, I understand the problem. Okay. I have the solution right here. Don't let anyone see you with this. It's top secret. What? What even is this? Huh. Amateur. Use these. Okay. Oh my gosh! This is amazing! I can see it all! This is like some sort of magic. No, it's just science. You just saved me. But how did you even do this? Okay. I'll tell you. First, you'll need some glasses. And you'll need a red marker. You'll need to color the lenses red. Don't be afraid to cover every bit with red. Now you're ready to test them. Looking good. The red lenses make it so you can see what's written beneath the red scribbles. Yep, they work. It's Spycraft 101. It works with whatever you want to write. Say if you want to subscribe to a video channel, for example. Or perhaps if you've already subscribed, you might want to give a video a thumbs up. If you're really enjoying the video, that is. Either way, your spy glasses are ready to use. They're stylish, too. Alright, I'm ready for this test. Time to pass this exam. Just gotta check my secret cheat sheet. It's working! I can clearly see the answers. And done! Phew, not failing today. Huh? Hey, it's my spy friend!
Uh-huh.
Thank you so much! Huh? Who is she looking at? Okay.
Uh-huh.
Phew. Good job, I guess. Okay, class. The test starts now.
Phew.
Okay. I can do this. Teacher's already distracted. Time for my secret weapon. Flip my eraser. And there's the answer. Mickey, I can't trust you at all. Hand it over. You don't even cheat cleverly. Hand over the rest of it too. Okay, here it is. Textbook. Tape. Pen. Don't think I don't see your phone. What? Hand that over too. But look! The battery's dead! Well, that's probably fine then. Oh, phone. Why have you betrayed me? Wait a minute. I think I'm coming up with a plan. Oh yeah. This is gonna be great. I'll need my phone and a picture of my phone. I'll cut out the camera section and bring in my cheat sheet. It'll have to be a small cheat sheet for this to work. But I can fold it in half too. Just a spot of glue on the back side of the sheet. And the lens picture goes right on top. Just gonna carefully make sure it's in place. Perfect! My cheat sheet is hidden! I'm ready for the test. Hidden in plain sight. Our little secret. Wait until teacher isn't looking? And there's my cheat sheet! This test will be a breeze. First question done! Oh, this is working great! And done! I'll just close you right back up. I did it! Phew, I'm finished with the test! Well, let's see how bad you failed. That one's right. The second question, too. In fact, they're all correct! An A+. You didn't cheat, right? Oh no. My phone battery is dead. Remember?
Yes!
Did you find any hacks or tricks that'll help you out in school? Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to 123 Go Trends YouTube page for more awesome videos like this one!